correct variances. Nursing outcomes begin with nursing intervention, 3 levels of prevention as intervention, and that may be using one or more. These nursing interventions are followed by evaluation to confirm that the anticipated or prescribed change has occurred. If this is not true, then goals are reformulated. Long-range goal relation to the short-range outcomes. Output validates nursing process and acts as feedback to further system input as required. The primary prevention, convert or potential stressor, potential reaction based on available knowledge, prevent stressor invasion by strengthening FLOD, education and desensitization to stressors, use the stress as a positive intervention strategy. Secondary prevention, overt or actual stressors, identify symptoms, protect basic structure following invasion, motivate, educate, and involve client in healthcare goals, provide primary prevention strategy as required. Tertiary prevention, overt, potential reaction based on symptoms, during reconstitution, attain and maintain stability, coordinate and integrate health service resources, provide primary and or secondary prevention intervention as required.
Occupational research and practice.